Hey guys!
Dogs are known as loyal companions. They protect us, comfort us, and often become part of the family. So when a dog suddenly bites, many owners feel betrayed or scared. But in most cases, the bite is actually a form of communication. Your dog is trying to tell you something important. Let's break down the most common reasons. Your dog is in pain. One of the most common reasons a dog suddenly bites is physical pain. If your dog is injured, sick, or dealing with a hidden medical condition, even a gentle touch might hurt them. When that happens, their natural instinct is to protect themselves. For example, arthritis, dental pain, injuries, ear infections. If your normally calm dog suddenly becomes aggressive, a visit to the veterinarian should be your first step. Fear or anxiety. Dogs can bite when they feel scared or threatened. Even if you don't think you're doing anything wrong, your dog might interpret certain actions as dangerous. Common triggers include sudden movements, loud noises, being cornered, unfamiliar environments. When fear takes over, the bite becomes a defense mechanism. Resource guarding. Some dogs become protective over things they value. This is called resource guarding. Your dog may bite if someone approaches their food bowl, a favorite toy, their bed, even a favorite person. In your dog's mind, they're simply protecting something important to them. Overstimulation. Sometimes dogs bite because they become too excited or overwhelmed. This can happen during rough play, too much petting, crowded environments, high-energy situations. When stimulation goes beyond what they can handle, the bite becomes a way to say, "I've had enough." Lack of socialization. Dogs that were not properly socialized as puppies may struggle to understand human behavior. They might misinterpret hugs, direct eye contact, fast movements. As a result, they may react with fear or aggression. Warning signs were missed. Here's something many dog owners don't realize. Dogs almost always give warning signals before they bite. These signals include growling, showing teeth, stiff body posture, ears pinned back, avoiding eye contact, lip licking or yawning. When these signals are ignored, a bite can become the dog's last resort. What should you do if your dog bites you? First, stay calm. Punishing your dog after a bite can actually make the problem worse. Instead, check the bite and seek medical care if needed. Try to identify what triggered the bite. Avoid the same situation until you understand the cause. Consult a professional dog trainer or veterinarian if the behavior continues. How to prevent future bites. Prevention is always better than reaction. Here are a few important steps. Learn your dog's body language. Provide proper training and socialization. Respect your dog's boundaries. Schedule regular veterinary checkups. When you understand your dog better, trust and safety grow stronger. Remember, when a dog bites, it's rarely about aggression. More often, it's about fear, pain, confusion, or stress. If you pay attention to your dog's signals and needs, you can build a relationship based on trust instead of misunderstandings. And that's what every dog truly wants. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other dog owners who might need this information. Because understanding our dogs means giving them the safe and happy life they deserve.